Here I have Realme 5i, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files, for example images or like videos or apps, from the internal storage to the SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to Files, Application, then pick which file you want to transfer. For example, let's pick some image, maybe this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. And then tap here, then you have to pick if you want to move these files or you want to copy them. So I'll just go to copy them in the SD card, tap continue, and tap allow. And now we can find these files on our SD card in the download folder. DCMI folder, and here they are. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.